Hi, it's Claire again, and I would like to tell you how to order Whole Foods on Amazon. So as you can see, I'm on the Amazon homepage right now, and you can get there by just clicking on this button in the top left corner, anywhere on the website. And once you're there, you're going to click on this button in the tabs bar, named Whole Foods. Now, once you're there, you'll see some food showing up, like I see some Spindrift grapefruit sparkling water and a banana, and these are things that Amazon thinks you'll like, or buy it again and stuff like that. And if you see something that you have on your shopping list and you would like to buy, then you can either click add to cart or this little link here. They basically do the same thing. I don't see anything that I'm like, so I'm going to go up here to the search bar, and you can see it already says Whole Foods Market, and so I don't need to change that. And I'm going to search up soda, since I'm going to have a party for one. Now, once it's pulled up, you'll be able to see a bunch of soda options, like I'd see cola and ginger ale, and you can pick a brand that you like, and I really like Whole Foods Market sodas, so I'm going to click on that. And then once you're here, you'll see a bunch of options, and you can scroll through these. And I actually really like the pomegranate Italian soda, so I'm going to click this link. And then once you're here, you'll see the picture of the product you want to buy, and then the title of the product and the rating. And then over here, if you want to change how many you're going to get, then you can click on this little drop-down menu. And I actually want 2. And if you scroll through these, you can see the price down here. And I want 2. So I'm going to click on 2. And then all you have to do is click add to cart. And then you'll see it added to your cart over here. And if that's all you want to buy, then you can click proceed to checkout.